My name is Jody Rainsford. I am a direct response copywriter and I'm also founder and CEO of Hello Genius. The main issue that we had before attending this event is that we didn't know really anything about digital marketing. We understand where it fits in the process, we understand the need to get traffic. We very much focus on being able to do all the conversion side of it, but our real weakness was understanding how to generate traffic. We've done various short courses, we've been to various talks, but we hadn't done any specific dedicated course, so we decided we're going to go to the person who understands this best and has got the best track record, which is why we decided to attend James's Digital Marketing Masterclass. What was really useful about the event was that it pulled Facebook marketing and digital marketing together into a cohesive strategy. It gave you an idea of not just how to do the technical elements of it, which is putting together a campaign and putting together how you think about the way you deal with social media. There's actually a full strategy behind it which makes complete sense and follows the way that people naturally purchase. And because of that, it makes a lot of sense in terms of what we do, and it fits really well into the work that we do in creating copy and content. I would completely recommend this course to anyone that is looking to fully understand not just the power of digital marketing in their business, but wants to understand the different ways that they can both get traffic for free and maximising paid traffic and doing it in a way that works in a very natural way to win customers. It's really easy to spend a lot of money on paid traffic and not do it effectively, and this really sums up a smart, sensible way to generate traffic for your business, generate leads for your business, and to make sure that these are good quality leads that convert.